Hello everyone, in this video we will talk to you about trading bots. These are bots that will, thanks to our settings, themselves trade cryptocurrency on the exchange and thus will give us passive good income. It depends, of course, on the settings. There are 4 types of bots. They are DCA bot, spot bot, futures martingale, and just futures grid bot. For the topic of today's video, DCA bot, as it is a bot for auto investment, and futures martingale, as it is a bot that involves high risks, is not particularly suitable for us. This is for more advanced users who have already dealt with other bots themselves. Therefore, here we will talk only about futures grid bot and spot grid bot. Let's start with the spot one. How does it work? In it, we select a particular pair, let's say Ethereum and USDT. And we see the bot settings which have already been done by other people. There is a stable bot, which is itself. The exchange itself offers a stable setup, also with high interest rates and so on. There is a preset here, artificial intelligence strategy. In fact, this is the strategy that the bot itself to us, the exchange itself offers us, how it sees how it will work well. In fact, we can simply put here the amount of investment we are interested in. Let's say $100. Click on Create Now. That's it, the bot will be up and running. It'll be up and running. It's going to be showing us some values, some results. So, what do we see here? The price range on top. The bot will trade in this price range. That is, as long as the price of Ethereum is between these values, the bot will trade. It has created them into 19 grids. Grids are the number of buy and sell orders at the same time. That is, if there are 19 of them, the number will be somewhere around 10 to buy, 9 to sell, and so on. That is, he buys Ethereum, the price goes up, he creates a sell order. If the price falls, he buys more. And thus, it turns out, fills these grids and trades. When the difference reaches this percentage for each grid, he makes a deal. Or it is in USD, you can look at the intervals. It is $33. This is calculating the expected income that will be. How volatile is our coin and how much there are drops, drawdowns. Accordingly, select, click Create Now. Here will be the work on these values, but it is better to customize it manually on the basis of the AI strategy. To do this, we select it manually, copy the strategy here by clicking the pencil, and then we set the values we are interested in. Personally, I prefer to make it so that the net profit is about 1%. Thus, there are more nets than in the recommended stake, as we can see. Updates. There you go, about 1%. That's about 25 meshes right there. So we're getting a little bit more meshes than we had anticipated. The percentage is a little bit lower, but still, every transaction in the $27 interval will be felt. We will see, literally every day to open, to see what is happening there. And at the same time, since there are quite a lot of grids and the percentage is not too high, there is no risk that somewhere the bot will roll backwards, buy us Ethereum. Ethereum is begging hard, and we're going to sit there waiting for it to grow. Here, if these price range values go out, the bot does not shut down. It just temporarily stops trading. That is, it will not buy cheaper than the price range of $21,000. You can also set stop loss, take profit in the additional settings. This is when the bot will stop working on reaching those values. And the entry price, which can be less than the value of this price range and more than this. So, in this way, the bot will buy first. And then it will only start working when the price enters this price range. Yes, that's it. Enter respectively the value we are interested in. Same thing. Enter the amount. Click Create Now. Confirm. The bot will be created. That's it. You can track it here on the bot's homepage. Here it is. You'll be able to track all of his trades. Click on Details. And accordingly, here we will have a history of everything he has done. You see, he has already bought 3 positions from use and is waiting to sell them. Here, we can see that we have 3 positions to sell, 22 to buy. That is, a bot that assumes that the price on the air will fall. It will buy it at these prices and sell it at this value. Well, accordingly, when it buys here at the nearest value, it will add here also to sell, so that each transaction comes out in plus some 27, I think, dollars. Well, or if we want, respectively, add money. We can live on Modify and add that money if we want to take out the money he's already made us. Yes. Profit. We click Withdraw. Or we can just delete the bot. In this case, we can either get all in USDT or get part in USDT, part in Ethereum. Accordingly, in what he had transactions in which he now stored crypto, or all in Ethereum. I'm going to take everything out in USDT. That's it. The bot stops working, it doesn't show up here. We see the final values and, that's it. There is also the second bot I mentioned. This is the futures bot. What is the upside of a futures grid bot? That it can trade not only long, yes, make money not only on the fall of the cryptocurrency, but also on its fall, and also basically on the sideways as well. That is, when it both does not fall and does not grow, but will clear from left to right. He will earn both by selling it in short and buying it in long. That is, he will to work as comfortably as possible, to make as many trades as possible. In principle, I believe that the neutral strategy futures grid bot is the most profitable one. The most profitable thing that we have right now. Because the market is sideways, despite the fact that there seems to be a bullish trend, but it is not so pronounced yet. Bitcoin recently fell by 3,000, for example. Therefore, we do the same here. We set up a neutral strategy, copy it here, we know all the values. The only difference is this. There are leverages here, which we remove. I don't recommend using leverage, not at all. With rare exceptions, or if you're an experienced trader. And then it's a maximum of 1 or 2 credits. The same thing. We make the number of grids so that the profit is about 1%. We enter the values that we need for trading. For example, here on Bitcoin, so it is quite expensive coin, the minimum investment amount will be $524. This is the state of 600 we can create. And if we add leverage, that price goes down. Oops, it's already 175. In this case, leverage up to 3 can be used if you want to create a pair on Bitcoin. But if it will not be Bitcoin, but some other currency, for example, there is Salon or something else, then accordingly the amount of investment will be less. Required. Enter. It is the same here. There are the same settings. Take profit, stop loss and entry price. Set the value, click Create Now, confirm. The bot is created, the bot trades. Most likely, it will start making some trades right away. Although not a fact, apparently it is now standard enough, not yet standard, yes, not much changes the price. So you see, has not entered any trades yet, he is waiting. As long as it's the right moment. That's all there is to it. In the same way, you can delete the bot and the money will return to your balance. In general, that's all there is to it. If you use these strategies without leverage and just make the bot work, it will bring good money at a distance. Depending, of course, on what amount of investment you have and how the market will behave. But personally, at least on Bybit, these interactions with trading bots were really nice, good, and I had not huge, I won't say straight big profits, yes, but stable, which in my understanding of cryptocurrency trading is the basis. That is most of your trades. Most of your trading, your interactions with cryptocurrency should create. Most of your trades, your trading, your interactions with cryptocurrency should give a small, stable income, and some of it, yes, of course, spend it on risky things like buying a doggy coin and waiting for them to go to space to get their thousands of X's. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in more videos. Bye, everybody.